one of our legal conversions. The inspector okayed all the prep work that we had laid out for the bench footing, as well as the footings for the new posts. And now we got concrete going in through that egress window, because that's one of the easiest access points. And we'll take you guys inside to show you what's going on in there. All right, here we are. As you can see, we already got the bench footing getting poured in. We'll head down there in just a sec, show you the rest of the layout. All right, that's as far as the chute's coming down. We gotta improvise a little bit of concrete at a time. Got a great system in place over here. Up, 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 up.
You like this?
Vibrator over here. We're back after 2 days. Looks like our bench footing concrete has hardened. We got our new footings in place for the new posts. That looks good. Got the second one over here. Now the next step in the process will be to get the new shoring jacks in place to hold this beam all the way across there, and then we'll be moving our new posts to their new locations on top of the two new footings there and there. Stay tuned.